Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's begin with the customization of this mode through the settings, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So first just open the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and find the night light. Tap on it and just tap on the switcher to turn it on. Now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can change the intensity here. Here we've got the switcher. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler. Hello? Hello? Can we just go to the left? All right, so now it is cooler. However, it's still visible, which is great. And by going to the right, you can make it much warmer. You can also schedule that feature. None option is the manual option, so you have to manually turn on and off the night light. You can also turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. You can simply tap on it and choose the time from this clock. For example, something like that. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. Alright, so this is how it works, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, so you can quickly access this option, you can quickly turn it on and off, all you need to do is to unroll the upper panel and localize the night light right here. As you can see, we've got this eye icon which is connected with the night light, so simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off whenever you want to. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.